Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing. So I got two packages here. They're both from Amazon. This one, yeah, I took my information off. But this one, and then hold on, this one. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open this one first, okay? Maybe. Trying to do this with one hand. Hold this camera. I'm gonna do this thing with one hand. One hand, bam, bam. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see. Alright. So this is what we got. Did it focus on that? I don't know if that's focused enough for you to see. But that's what we got. I was gonna say, where's that one? Oh, hell. I can't do one hand open on this. Hold on, guys. Let's see. Yeah, no, one hand wasn't gonna work because hell, two hands ain't working. Yeah, no. I mean, they were not playing when they put this. Whoever thought of this packaging. Dang. Struggling to break it open. Alright, got it open now. Y'all ready to see? Let's look at the poopers that's inside. Ooh. See? Alright, so we have this color. Those are lip liners. Okay. So we have this color. This one is called Fuchsia. This one, which is Red Cherry. It looks brownish, but I guess I'm brownish red. This one, which is called Pink Blossom. This one, which is called Natural. This one is called Mauve. This one is Soft Pink, apparently. This one's brown. Hey, I'm down for the brown. Natural Beige. I don't know if that's really beige, but okay. It is what it is. This one is Chocolate. Y'all know I'm here for the chocolate, honey. Now, this one is called Mango. Ow. Deep Purple. It looks brown. Okay, but it says Deep Purple. And then this one is Nude. And that's it for that package, you guys. Oh, I'm trying one. The one in the middle. But, that's what they look like. I thought they were going to be different sizes. But they seem to all be the same size. But I love it, honey. Like, you know I'm down for that. Always down. Or whatever. Anyway, and then this package. Some of my website from Paris, right? I never made it to my mailbox, you guys, to pick up my package. And so I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to get it today, hopefully. I'll probably send my mom to go get it. That's horrible. Whoa. Alright, you guys. Alright. I got into it. Alright, you ready to see what I got? So, ooh, it's so pretty. Alright, I got these. Oh my gosh. These lippies. It says made in China. I don't care. It says DUX lingerie. Apparently it's supposed to be a knockoff of the knits lingerie. I'm just like, oh, okay. So I'm gonna try those out, honey. We're gonna try those out, honey. And then what else I got is sticky, icky. And that's what I got. Some honeycomb, pure bee honeycomb. So that's what I got, you guys, in these 2 packages. Yay. I'll come back to do a honey ASMR. I'll be back to try all of these. And all of these. We're gonna see which ones we like best, honey. Cause y'all already know I'm down for that, honey. Find out which one of these I like best. No, it don't even matter. I'm gonna use them all. Find out which one of these I like best, but it don't matter. I'm gonna use all these too. Ow. But just you can see out my window. You can see my window because of the glare. But I am so ready. Like, oh my gosh. And they're supposed to be matte lippies too, so you know I'm so excited. I love a matte lippy. I might be like, give me the chocolate or something. The brown and chocolate. Yeah, that brown. I might use that brown when I do my lips. Over line just a hair. That's what I'm doing. Smells like pencil. That don't smell like nothing. That's the honey. So I'll be back, you guys. Make sure you all stay tuned to my channel so you can see all of my videos. But thank you. Make sure you all subscribe, like this video, or dislike this video. Doesn't bother me. Make sure that you share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the alerts bell. I'm gonna be with y'all for a while, honey. I got nothing but time on my hands since I, broke my ankle and had to have surgery. So we'll be seeing a whole heaping lot of each other, okay? I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. So you know how I said I was gonna possibly make a wig out of that 34-inch bundle. I actually changed my mind. My hair is really short. I'm gonna do a hair tutorial showing you all how to take your really short hair that is like half relaxed, half natural, and get it in a ponytail. I'm gonna make a ponytail video. So I'll be flicking my hair up into a ponytail, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for that one, okay? Alright, bye. See you next time. Alright, so you guys, I know I thought I was done with that video, but apparently I wasn't. I opened my honeycomb, and as you can see, all of the honey has leaked out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and see if I can contact the company on Amazon and see if I can, what they'll say, because like I just left it in the box. Like, it's honey all over it, and it's, the honey comes inside, but there's no honey. You know, usually there's some residual honey around it. Yeah, nothing. So I'm gonna take pictures or whatever and send to them and show them how it leaked, because it's everywhere. Like, you can see it's sticky in the box. But Thanks, guys. That was just a PS at the end of that last video.